sunny Florida, if you can't tell. It is cruise day.
It's cruise day.
You can tell by the matching apparel. It is cruise day, so we're going to be sailing out of Port Canaveral, which we're here in. We're actually right. No, we're not.
We were in Titusville.
Yeah.
No.
We moved to we're like 3 minutes down the road from the port. We're at, what is this place? Residence Inn by Marriott. Yeah, it's super nice. Anyways, 7-day sailing on the Msc Seashore. We're the Yacht Club. We're going to take you guys along with us and show you how it's done. What are you most excited for?
Yacht Club.
Well,
Yacht Club.
We've been on Yacht Club, in Yacht Club once already, and it was great. So we're going to test this one out. And
but we are, this time we're in a Yacht Club interior, which we haven't been in an interior stateroom since our very first cruise together.
So,
but I'm fine with it.
But Yacht Club is
Once
amazing.
you go Yacht Club,
You never go back.
I don't think we'll ever go.
But yeah, stick along. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, give us a like to get those analytics and algorithm going. And yeah, we'll see you on board. Let's go. We got our stickers. That's wrapped all the way around. And we just walked right on in. Had to wait a little bit, but we'll give you a Yacht Club. There it is. There's the ship. Excited?
Ah, yes.
In front of the watcher.
You gotta be in here.
It's just that first time that's hard. Why does it feel like I'm doing an opposite of my kids? You don't want it too tight, too loose.
All right, 10:53. We are checked in. They have mimosas all ready to go. We've already made some really cool friendships. And we are getting ready to board. Let's go. How you feeling?
Great.
Yeah? I'm glad that we get to, people ask, what's the best part about Yacht Club? And this is just one of them. We are the first group. We've been mimosa'd already. Get to skip all that crowd. Walk right on. It is now 10:57. Yep. Hopefully drink in hand. All right. Vacation has begun. All right. We're seated 11:07. Hannah's in the bathroom, but one of the very first on. I've already seen Miss Kimberly over there. She was on the Seascape with us. She's an excellent Yacht Club associate. And we are here. Just wanted to point out, SpaceX is launching tomorrow, so they are heading out to sea. We've got a launch tomorrow. It'll be the first manned astronaut launch in several years, I believe. So here in the port, all that SpaceX there. That's their recovery pad. Pretty neat. This is the wine cellar. If you tap your cruise card up here, it'll show you $7.99, $8.99, $9.99 for a glass of wine, but you can choose. Bottle of wine. All these wines. Wow. That's cool. This would be cool, like a little, like a gathering spot for a group, or lots of reds, whites, there's champagne. It keeps going. There's some more over here. Ooh, that's a little expensive there. It's $19.99, $30 a glass. Have what? Does it show how much?
Look at this.
No, but I can tell you it is.
Ooh,
Wow.
pricey.
Awesome.
All right, this is the elevator on the very back of the ship. Going up to deck 16, this is the view.
Yeah.
Wow. There's the Bridge of Sighs. We're about to take you out there. All right, here's the menu for the first night. There's the entrees, classics that you can get every night, desserts. Thinking about the scallops. And there's Hannah taking a selfie. Look at that view. Look at that.
Would you not take a selfie?
Y'all, can't beat that. Salud. You gotta show him who's boss with the one-piece set. We made it.
I made it. I'm struggling.
I'm struggling. Just got some breakfast. Gonna go to the lounge. There's the slides. Right near the kid area. Wanna do the slides? We don't like the dark slides, but it looks like that one is like light and then dark. But it also overhangs the ship. So if you're not a fan of heights, check this out. Yeah. No thanks. Whee! So this is the head chef checking in on the passengers to make sure everything is good. Hannah got a heart. And this is the view. Y'all can't beat that now. Wow. Let's dig in. All right, so Hannah's in the shower. I just want to show you this. We come back to cold water. That is cold. You can see you can see that. And then they also leave little chocolates from the chocolate shop on board. Little touches like this, ladies and gentlemen, make it all worth it. They make your bed up. It is just luxury at its best. Once you go Yacht Club, you never go back. Also, to add to that, when we came back, yeah, we didn't fold that up nicely. He did. I just unraveled this one, but this is the type of luxury that you'll get on Yacht Club. Little things like this. He took the time to fold this up nice and neat and put it there for us. Y'all, you can't beat it. This is what you pay for. Little stuff like that. All right, gala night.
Lovely lady.
Thank you.
There's the desserts.
How are you? Good morning from Montego Bay, Jamaica. We just arrived. It's I think it's right around 7:38. We are the only ship in port. We've never been here before, so this is going to be an adventure. I think we're going to go down to one of the local beaches and see what that has to offer, but the reflections is so bad. What do you think so far?
I'm excited.
She's excited. Just had some breakfast upstairs, and now I think it'll get much more clearer once we get, looks like we're still using our side thrusters to put us into port there, so it's a little hazy. You can see down there at the bottom right. Nice and smooth ride.
Alright, no worries. Alright, no worries. Mom and Papa is there to take care of you guys. What we do, let you have fun, yeah man? You can't come to Jamaica and just go straight to the beach.
But it's very good.
And here's the map. So you can either order from your chair, or you can come up here. It looks like they've got like a little serving line there. You can. It's all centrally located. It's not too bad.
I was good at my job.
Oh.
Lots more people here now. It's about 11 o'clock. Got here around 9:30. This is pretty much from that pier all the way over. The entrance is right there. They've got bathrooms, showers. Everything seems pretty clean. They've got lifeguards. Just quite a few people.
That's why as soon as we